Have you ever wondered how your favorite peanut butter is made? From the humble peanut to the creamy spread we all love, the journey is nothing short of fascinating. In this video, we're taking you behind the scenes of a peanut butter factory to show you exactly how peanuts are transformed into the delicious, smooth butter. Get ready to see the entire process, from roasting and grinding to packaging, and discover the secrets of how this everyday product is made. Whether you're a peanut butter fanatic or just curious about food production, this is a journey you won't want to miss. Let's dive in. After the peanuts are harvested, farmers deliver them to processing plants, where peanuts are weighed, tested for quality, contamination and other criteria in a laboratory, and then farmers are paid for their time-consuming and painstaking work. Peanuts are accepted in a processing plant to create a food product made from roasted and shelled peanuts, such as popular peanut butter, margarine, spread, or as a confectionery ingredient for candies, nougat, candy bars, desserts, baked goods, or snacks. After squeezing, the residue is made into peanut flour or cake, usually used to feed farm livestock. First, the raw material, peanuts, goes through industrial cleaning machines to remove all residues, damaged and defective nuts, as well as stones and other foreign objects. The peanuts are then sent through a roasting process, during which they are exposed to high temperatures, which helps release the aroma and enhance the flavor of the nut. After roasting, the peanuts are placed in a special mill, where the nut is ground to create a paste. During the grinding process, various ingredients, such as sugar, salt, and vegetable oil, are added to achieve the desired taste and consistency of the paste. The resulting mass is passed through filters and mixers to ensure product homogeneity and remove any remaining large particles. The paste is then heat treated to ensure safety and increase shelf life. Once cooled, the paste is packaged into sterile containers, ready to be shipped for sale or further processed into other food products such as candy or butter. During the peanut butter production process, the plant follows strict quality and safety standards to ensure a high level of product that has been tested and approved for consumption. This process requires modern equipment, experienced workers and quality control at all stages of production. The peanuts with inverters. After a certain time, it is time for the innovative Amados lift conditioners, specialized agricultural equipment used for lifting and flattening peanuts, as well as other agricultural crops. Hoists, plushers. Amados is an important tool for agricultural enterprises. It is able to effectively cope with harvesting and processing crops, improving productivity and reducing manual labor. The lifters, conditioners, have a rugged and reliable design, adjustable hydraulic drive, low-profile design, and can be adapted to fit 30-inch row peanuts. Able to withstand high loads and long operating times. Innovative lifts, conditioners. Amados are equipped with a special lifting system that allows you to lift and turn the crop for better drying, providing convenient access for further harvesting of peanuts by combines. KMC peanut diggers. Inverters are specialized attachments that are connected to the tractor hydraulics and used in the peanut harvesting process. Well-known manufacturer of agricultural machinery. Kelly Manufacturing Company has 50 years of experience designing and manufacturing innovative, reliable, agricultural equipment. The KMC excavator, shaker, inverter is designed to dig peanut plants out of the ground and turn them over, allowing the peanuts to dry naturally before further processing. The adjustable digging blades effectively dig up peanut plants, separating them from the soil. Peanut plants are left upside down in the field to dry, which helps improve the quality and taste of the peanuts. The KMC inverter ensures precise digging and gentle handling of peanut plants. KMC Peanut Digger inverters come in several designs: 2-row, 4-row, 6-row, 8-row with row widths of 30 to 40 inches. Made from durable materials that can withstand the harsh conditions of peanut harvesting. Easy to operate and maintain. The revolutionary, highly efficient peanut harvester Amadas 9990 is specially designed for peanut harvesting. Manufactured by Amadas Industries in association with John Deere, bringing all the best, advanced and innovative products through their long-term partnership for efficient and effective peanut harvesting. They have created truly, the most powerful peanut combine Amadas 9990. Equipped with advanced technologies and innovative design, a powerful John Deere Tier 4 turbocharged and intermediate air-cooled engine with a volume of 9.0 liters, producing 333 horsepower. Also equipped with John Deere's new 3-speed push-button transmission, and a number of advanced features to enhance efficiency and productivity. The combine has a large hopper volume, which allows you to collect a significant amount of peanuts without having to empty it, and handles the peanuts gently, minimizing damage to the crop during the harvesting process. Amadas 9990 is equipped with a cleaning and separation system that removes debris and separates peanuts from plant material. The peanut harvester is designed with operator comfort in mind and features a comfortable cab with ergonomic controls and good visibility. Command Center 4600 display, 10 inches color, with camera system, command arm, auto track, premium audio with Bluetooth technology integration, JD-Link and John Deere operations, etc. The developers designed the machine to be easy to maintain, with accessible components and convenient features. Amadas is a well-known manufacturer of agricultural machinery for harvesting peanuts. In early 1963, two geniuses, Oliver K. Hobbs and J. Carly Adams, began a successful collaboration, combining their engineering, manufacturing and marketing expertise to develop a new generation of peanut harvesting and processing machines. To meet the needs of the market where real peanut fans live, the United States of America, where more than 90% of the population are active consumers of peanut butter. They are constantly expanding their line of innovative technical products. Today Amadas Industries is a leading manufacturer of advanced peanut collection systems. The DJI Agris D40 agricultural drone was developed by DJI for spraying fertilizers, pesticides and planting crops, as well as for scanning and monitoring fields. The drone is equipped with 8 electric motors and propellers, providing high maneuverability and stability in flight. The Agris D40 is capable of carrying up to 40 liters of chemicals, equipped with a 10.5-gallon tank for spraying and an 18.5-gallon spreader capacity for spreading fertilizer and cover crop seed, holding up to 115 pounds of bulk material, allowing you to effectively cover large areas in a single flight. Spraying up to 10 liters per minute, which ensures high processing speed of fields. Thanks to an efficient power supply system, Agris D40 can stay in the air for up to 20 minutes on a single charge. The operator can control the drone at a distance of up to 5 kilometers from himself. The entire field coverage is 40 acres per hour at 2 GPA. Combines mapping, spraying and application functions via remote control and DRTK2 mobile station. The drone is equipped with a high-quality camera and a LiDAR scanner to obtain detailed information about the fields and correctly configure the parameters for spraying and sowing grain crops, such as rice, wheat, barley, oats, buckwheat, etc. DJI offers dedicated software for flight route planning and drone data analysis. The DJI Agris T40 is an effective and innovative tool for increasing productivity and reducing costs in agriculture, allowing you to accurately and quickly apply pesticides, fertilizers and plant crops. Farmers can effectively cultivate and plant large areas, especially in hard-to-reach or sparsely populated areas. High-quality trailed rake SIP Air 900D designed for efficient and effective raking of hay and forage crops. The SIP Air 900D has a trailed configuration, making it easy to attach to the back of a tractor for easy operation. This design ensures that the rake follows the tractor smoothly, covering a large working width of 9 meters for center swathing and 7 meters for side swathing, without putting unnecessary stress on the machine. The SIP Air 900D is very maneuverable thanks to the swivel wheels. These wheels allow the rake to move smoothly around obstacles and tight turns, increasing overall productivity and reducing the risk of damage to field boundaries or other structures. One of the outstanding features of the SIP Air 900D is its raking accuracy. The rake is equipped with adjustable tines that allow precise adjustment of the raking height and width. This feature allows the operator to tailor the raking process to suit specific crop and field conditions for optimal raking efficiency and excellent productivity. The Goweel Vario Master Baler is a high-quality agricultural machine designed for baling hay, straw, corn silage and other feed materials. It is designed to efficiently compress and package collected feed into compact bales for easy storage, transportation and feeding. The Vario Master Baler is renowned for its versatility and adaptability. It offers customizable features and settings allowing farmers to customize bale diameters from 80 to 140 centimeters, density and shape, with double binding unit, for net and film to suit their specific needs. This flexibility makes it suitable for different types of feed and different farming operations. The baler is equipped with advanced technologies and features such as a hydraulic drop compartment that can hold up to 18 rolls of film, 4 infrared cameras for good visibility, a hydraulic mobile packaging table, a water injection device for better compression, Profi automatic software control, ensuring smooth operation and optimal performance. It has a rugged design that includes a durable frame and high-quality components that can withstand the rigors of field use. Don't forget to subscribe to our craft channel to stay updated and share this video with your friends who might be interested in this topic. Thanks for being with us. See you soon in our next videos.